I'm the legit creep and I buy weird stuff on eBay so that you don't have to. I just buy a bit of everything on eBay, and I like a lot of like alternative stuff and like clothing and everything, so I get like heaps of suggestions, and I've always been suggested tattoo machines. And one day I was just like, I'm just gonna buy one and just see what it is, see what you get for like such a cheap price. I can only guarantee it's like pretty crappy, and I'm not saying I'm going to use this. I would definitely not put it on myself. I doubt I've got the willing candidates for me to use it on, but I bought something else in it that means you can use it and it not be risky. Just because everyone on the internet freaks out about literally everything, all I'm gonna say is, like, I do not condone this. Don't go and do it. You're gonna write your comments anyway and say how terrible it is, blah 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 blah. You can't stop someone from buying something, and that's what I did so that you guys don't have to. So let's see what is inside. Inside this boxer. Yeah. I bought this for $30, and I'm pretty sure I bought the Australian plug so that if I wanted to plug it in and see what it does, not on myself, not on any of my friends and family, if I wanted to just see what it does, I could plug it in. So that's what I did. Anyway, so like maybe $35. So let's open her up. I love a good unboxing just to soothe the soul. The box is like half falling apart, but anyway, this is what we got inside. It is an Australian plug, so that was one thing that came correct. So we've got an Australian plug with like a stando adapter thingy that like goes into a lot of different things. I won't know half this stuff. I know these are needles, obviously. Pre-made tattoo needle. This was sterilized by EO gas. So the nails are so gross, but don't even care. They expire in, they have five years till this expiry. 5 needles, geez, that's gonna get a lot of work done with those 5 needles, and like you've literally only got one type of needle as well. Can't talk because I'm not a tattoo artist, but I'd say it's a liner needle. It looks like there's 5-6 needle heads, like tiny ones. You probably won't even be able to see them, but from like kind of looking when I get tattooed, not that like I really do look, a shader like definitely looks thicker than that, like a needle cap, I think. I don't tattoo, so I don't, piercing is very different to tattooing, so like I couldn't tell you. I think it's the cap that must go around the needle to like hold it in place or something, and there's 5 of them. Yep, whatever that is. See, like this is why you need to be trained, because like you have, I have no idea. That obviously plugs into the actual machine, and that is just no idea. Let me know if you know. Damn, another bloody cord. See, this is like kind of scary because I like would have no idea what to do with any of this. Another cord. Ink caps, I'm pretty sure those are. That looks like that's all you're gonna hear this entire time. Yeah, maybe like the needle thing goes through that or something. This is obviously like the voltage thing that like bits plug into. And then this is obviously like the part that you hold. Oh, it's so ugly. Yuck. I have no clue. This is why like these things shouldn't be sold on eBay that anyone could buy, because I have no clue, and like if I wanted to use it I would do like so much research into it. I wouldn't touch a person with this. No wonder there's so many home jobs going on. Do not condone home jobs at all. And then it's just got some like gross like skull thing on it. Like it's hideous. It's absolutely disgusting. Yuck. Like they know rednecks buy these and bogans, so they're just like, let's just make it super bogan and like put some gross skulls on it and it'll appeal to them. I love how I'm like touching everything like it already has like 50,000 diseases all over it, literally just because that's the only time you ever see these. Someone's doing like a home job tattoo, or like someone has a home job tattoo and you're like, disease! God knows what I'm to do with any of these things. Oh wait, those are rubber bands, and right, okay, yeah, that's how you can like hold like the bits together or whatever you do with that. Oh, and the last thing that came with it is just some, ugh, makes me even sick to hold this, some tattoo ink, which God knows what is in this, and like you would never put this on someone's bloody skin. That's terrifying. Apparently it's made in the USA, distributed by Intense, but with a Z, Products Inc. in New Jersey, USA. Has anyone ever heard of Intense before? But like it came from China, so like who knows if this is actually from the US. Like you would never put that on someone's bloody, in someone's bloody body. But then I was like, hey, like what if I actually wanted to give it a go? I wouldn't want to put it on actual people. I looked into it a little bit more, but still didn't look into how I would actually put that piece of shit together. I bought this, and it's like a skin, fake skin. So you can either do it on the back where it's like clear and you can tattoo onto this, and then on the front it's got like super cool tattoos that everyone would want to get, you know, like just common tattoos I guess, that you would do in a studio where you had no choice but to just do gross walk-ins. But yeah, this is what I guess people practice on to begin with and stuff. Not that they practice with stuff like actually on it, but the back of it you could just tattoo onto and see what it does. So yeah, I thought that was kind of cool if I actually wanted to. So that was like $1, I think. Do not recommend using on people, but hey, these things I think are kind of cool. The fact that you could like give it a go and see what it's like to do with like the shittest one in the world. It's gonna be shit. That's why there are better versions of things. You get what you pay for pretty much. Like this would create terrible quality tattoos anyway, so you'd never want to put it on someone's skin. But like I thought it would be cool to just see what you get. You get a full kit. When they say you get a kit, you get the entire thing. Couldn't tell you how this all connects, but like I'm sure you could look it up on the internet if you really wanted to. For like $35 if you wanted to. If I buy one of these bad boys. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm probably gonna give it a go on the tattoo skins, like just to see how it works. And on all my friends and my family. But like watch out. I'm coming for my friends and family. I'm coming to get ya with this thing that I don't even know how to hold, but I will come and get you with it. Just a little portrait of my face, portrait of my body, portrait of my family, my mum and dad and sister, portrait of my cat, portrait of my late dog, portrait of the things I love in life, lyric sheet of my favourite song. That's what you're most likely gonna get when I tattoo you. All of the above is coming for you in one sitting too. So like we'll do a full bodysuit just in the things that I love, not the things you love.